Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off allow people to follow you on your Reddit app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your Reddit app. We will just go up here in this picture on app, we will click, then this window show for us, then we just click here on settings, then we come to settings window here in this window, then we just click here on account settings for you, then we come to account settings here in this window, then we just go down, then we come here to allow people to follow you. We will go to turn off. We will just click here on this is mark or this color. And like you say, this color it's gone. That's mean allow people to follow you. It's turned off now. So that's all. Now you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you a great now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. And see you in next video about all Reddit app settings.